Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. Today we are going to learn how to make this practical rug, and it's perfect just to put on the kitchen, in the bathroom, under the bed. And if we just roll it and put a ribbon on it, we just can give it as a present to any of our family members or a friend. So this is a perfect and practical gift. So let's start making it, and it's going to be very easy and fast. And YouTube has me as Anna for Lana. So when you see this little cat, just click it and you will see all my videos there. Okay, for this project, I use chunky yarn chenille with a crochet hook of 6 millimeters. This yarn asks for a 8 millimeter crochet hook, but I rather do it more dense, so it will be a little more spongy. So let's do slip knot, and then I'm going to continue doing chains until I get to have 42 chains. So I'm in the number 41, and now I do the 42, and now I'm going to turn and then start row number 1 doing single crochets. So this is number 39. Now this is the number 40, and my last one will be 41. Okay, so I finish 41 single crochets, and now I'm going to chain 1, turn the work, and then yarn over, and I'm going just to take the very first space and do a half double crochet, and I will continue doing half double crochets in every single space. And let me just show you a way that you will continue making a very straight rug. Here at the last space, make a half double crochet, chain, turn the work, yarn over, and in the very first space another half double crochet, and you will continue like that. So the way to make a very straight rectangle is just utilize the very first space. So you will be making as many rows as you want. Just keep trying it over just to make sure that that is the length you want. And for me, this is the very last half double crochet. Then I make a chain, and then I'm going to measure it, and I have the length is 55 centimeters, which is approximately 22 inches, and the width is 38 centimeters, which is about 15 inches. So with this, I think I am done because I'm planning to do this for my kitchen, and I'm just going to cut the end, and this very little tail, I'm just going to hide it with another crochet hook, the smaller one, and I'm going just to be putting it like that. So with this, I'm going to have a very nice rug just to put on my kitchen. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't done so. This is a very easy way to make a very puffy rug, and you see, it's very easy, and still I have leftovers, so I can make even another one. And remember, the key to make a very nice and cozy rug is to use a very thick yarn and a smaller hook than the one they recommend. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, give me a like and subscribe, and just make sure that for this Christmas you can make a lot of them for your friends and family. I hope to see you next time in my channel, Ana Lana. Thank you.